Go. We're at 362 West Oak Grove in Hernando, Mississippi. We're about to perform a repair test on the shingles that are obviously damaged and have coverage opened by State Farm.
Obviously, there's the wind crease. Okay, we're unsealing. This is the first tab of the shingle. Here's the end of the shingle. Unsealing, showing what we're going to be unsealing to perform this repair due to nails being installed across this line as well as this line. So we have to unseal this all the way out here. We'll go from there. Alright, we'll try to be quick to make this video short. Oops, about tripped over my own safety hazard. It's unsealed. Unsealed. Sure. Obviously that's broke. We're gonna unseal this second layer as well because this is the shingle we're removing to get to these boxes. Alright, came apart good. Let's see if we have any issues. Here, roll gently. Okay, felt it come up a little bit. Over here. Very good. One came out good. See a little bit of more transfer on that nail. Okay, here, it's removed. I'm just looking for nails, try not to raise that shingle any higher than I have to. Okay. Off a little bit. There we go. That's obviously the broke tab. Just looking for here. Felt it coming up good. There she comes. There we go. Perfect. Got this row spout out. I'm gonna come here. That's out. Removed. Move. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's the aftermath of the removed shingle. This back side, see some mat transferring. I haven't took the first photo. It'll be alright. I'll start now. Sorry about that. Alright. Time to go back in with the new shingle. three tab. Perfect. About the best match we're gonna get. Some cool nose for this replacement. Drive that nail head flush. I use this flat bar to prevent using my hands to pry the shingle to cause more damage. Turn it in flush. Flush. Some granules on the head of my magnet. Alright. Here we go. Flush. Alright. Now we need to install another two nails here into this top portion. Some nails. There we go. There we go. There's one.
I can see granules bouncing with each hammer strike.
Oh, it's just need to raise it gently as I can to install. Nails flush. Didn't go any farther. Okay, we're here, and here. Flush. And these 3-tab shingles, they usually, manufacturers has 4 to 6 nails, depends on which brand really, what you use, but we're gonna go with 4 to use minimal. We're not gonna worry about the 6. We're just trying to, make this repair. All right. Feel that up a little better. There, show me. Try to back it up. So this is the new. It's the new shingle. Obviously, you can see creasing along here, as well as more here. I'm gonna document it with chalk. Shingles are just brittle. You see it right there and right there. It's just cracked. As well as here. Try to get a side angle of it where you can see it better. I was very gentle with this repair.